Slavic, man. Slavic. Yeah, man. I was watching the Phillies game, man. Yeah, the other day, man. Even tonight, man. They're getting their ass kicked. They were losing 4-0. Slavic, man. Nick Castellanos has got to go, man. They gotta do something with this cat, man. You're not going to win a World Series with Nick Castellanos as your starting, outfielder, man. You know, they need an upgrade, man. They need a serious upgrade in the outfield, man. This guy's hitting 200, man. You know, he's an automatic out, man. You know, they're going to have to, make a trade, if they want to, and be serious about, winning a World Series. Have to, man. He stinks. The guy stinks, man. Jeez. He's up there hacking. No discipline. Just up there hacking. And swinging for the stars, Not going to get it done, man. And it's like the pitchers, they just, easy to get him out. Just throw the ball in the dirt, man, or throw the ball high up, high in the strike zone. He'll hack at it, man. Yeah, he's got no discipline. Whoa! Look at that, man! Oh, man! He almost made a crazy turn, man! Woo-hoo-hoo! That is nuts! Wow! That was crazy! Man, you gotta watch the street road, man! Street road is bad. Like the Street Road 500. Woo-hoo! Yeah, you gotta be careful on this road, man. Alright, well, that's all I got for today, man. Whoa! Falling off the altitude! I'll see you later, Slavic. I'll see you later. And be good. Be careful. Be well.